Right. We're still on a trick of grade 11. Ne? Ratios in terms of letter. People, I'm telling you, this is one section of trigonometry which is the most examinable one. Most examinable, especially in grade 11, both in grade 12. If you can master this section, I'm telling you, you win. You win. The ratios in terms of a letter. You'll be given a scenario. Let's take, for instance, you are given the sine of 28 degrees equals to k. All right? And you are requested to find other things. Other things. Yeah? In terms of k, you'll be requested to find terms now in terms in terms of find term in k. Now people, what do you need to do? You need that Cartesian plane. Do you still remember? You need that Cartesian plane. Well, you might not given the restriction in at which of this you have to draw your triangle. But I think you can just look at this one. If this is negative, I mean, if this is positive, use the first quadrant, or the second quadrant. But it's advisable to use this one, because you can see it's positive there. Yeah. Okay. Let's use this one. Right. Immediately, we can say this is over 1. You can ask me, where do you get 1? People, we are dealing with ratios. Ratios and fractions are just one thing. That's why if you see the k, this one equals to k, it might be k over 1. Reason being, because ratios and fractions are just one and the same thing. Meaning that this is opposite, and this is hypotenuse. All right. Where do you put the opposite? If this is 28 degrees, where do you put the opposite? You put it here. You put it here. Okay. And what about here? 1. And what about this? Then you use Pythagoras. This axiom, you remember Pythagoras say r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. X is unknown, meaning that we can have x squared equals to r squared minus y squared. Then what about r? R is 1. Y is k. So this means that we are having plus or minus the square root of 1 minus k squared, which is equal to x. Okay. Now, if this is the square root of 1 minus k squared, what do? If you are asked to find the cos of 28 degrees, How much is this? Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, meaning that this will be the square root of 1 minus k squared divided by 1. If you are requested to find the tangent of 28, this is the tangent is opposite over adjacent, meaning that will be k over the square root of 1 minus k squared. Okay? And if you are requested to find the cos of 62, what do you do, people? You can use the reduction formula. You can use the reduction formula to say this is the same as the cos of 90 degrees minus 28. Do you see how lucky we are? We because we want 28 every time to use it here. All right? And this becomes the sine. This becomes the sine of 28. And the sine of 28 here is k over 1. People, try to work out exercise 7.10. Work as many problems as you can. They're just same things applies to what I've been doing here, and you're going to win. Let's see the next clip. Thank you very much.